Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare this palm oil or local stew. I've already prepared everything so I don't take my time. So firstly, I'm going to add my palm oil in my pot. The heat is already on, so I'm pouring in my palm oil. I'll just allow it to get hot a bit before I continue. The oil is already hot, so I'm pouring in my chopped onions. I like to saute for some time, like a minute. The onions is well fried now, so I'll add in my tin tomatoes. I'll allow it to fry for some time so it doesn't slap you when you are eating your hot rice. Allow this to fry for like 3 minutes so it will be so okay. As it's frying, be stirring it so it doesn't get burnt. After 3 minutes, I'll just pour in my already boiled tomatoes and pepper so it doesn't take time to cook. I'll add in my ground crayfish, my Dawadawa in here. This local stew, you don't need all those mede as in the spices like curry. You now add ginger, you add garlic. No, you don't need all those spices because it's local stew. So I'll cover the pot to allow it to cook for some time, maybe like 6 minutes before I now continue. So because I want to be very hot, I'm going to add in some dried ground Cameroon pepper because I like my local stew to be very hot. As in to be very pepperish when I'm eating it. So now I'll just cover the pot for it to cook very well. So after 10 minutes, this is what we have here. So I'll just go and add in the other ingredients. I'm not using meat stock, so I'm going to add a bit of water because it is too thick. But if you have your stock, you can add in your stock. So now I'll just add in my fried mackerel fish. I season this fish with fish seasoning, curry, thyme and salt. So I'll add it now so it can absorb the juice. The only seasoning I'm adding in here now is bouillon cubes. I'm just adding 2. So I'm adding my mackerel fish, already fried. I'll add in some salt, then later I have to adjust it if it's not enough. Like I said, this is sharp local stew. Maybe you don't have money to buy cow leg, cow head, shaki, or more, all those stuff. You can do this sharp stew for your Sunday rice or any day rice. It doesn't take time if you prepare everything ready. This stew might just take you like 10 to 15 minutes to prepare. So I'll cover it for like 3 minutes and let the fish absorb the juice from the tomatoes. So after 2 minutes, I'll just add in my boiled eggs. I have my rice boiling somewhere. So now I'll just add my vegetable. I didn't have enough scent leaf, so I'm just adding some spinach. So you can use either spinach or scent leaf, but scent leaf is more like it. You can see our local stew, sharp local stew. So let me just taste for salt, then I'll put off the heat. So tasty. Or just add little salt and we are good to go. I don't want the leaf to be overcooked, so I'll turn off the heat. I'm testing for salt again. Yeah, the salt is okay. So I'll turn off the heat and meet you when my rice is okay. If you have not liked this video, please like and share, and please do subscribe. I'll see you later on. So guys, this is our local palm oil rice, sharp to prepare. So I'm taking mine with beans, just little beans and little fried plantain. You can join me